Hello students, let's see today how to make BRS and favorable balance according to passbook is given. So you can see uh, where favorable balance of passbook is given, we will write in plus items column. Again, the question says that before that date he had issued checks amounting rupees 8,000 but checks presented were rupees 3,200. So the deficit of 4,800 will be there in cash book because the cashier has entered it in credit side but passbook has not debited it because bank doesn't know about these checks. So if we want cash book balance from this passbook balance, we have to deduct it from the balance, so we will write it in minus columns. Again, a check of rupees 2200 paid by him into the bank on 26 March is not yet credited in the passbook. So a check of this amount was paid into bank but bank has not credited it. That means bank's balance is less and cash book balance is more. So we have to add this item to equate it to cash book, so it is in the plus column. Again, third adjustment is he had also received a check for rupees 500 which although entered by him in the bank column of cash book was omitted to be paid into the bank. So the check was received and in the debit side of the cash book the entry was made but that was never paid into the bank. So rupees 500 passbook balance will be less by rupees 500. So we will have to add this item in the passbook balance. Again, the next adjustment says on 30th March a check of rupees 1570 received by him was paid into the bank but the same was omitted to be entered in the cash book. Again, the check was deposited into the bank and the passbook has been uh, entered. This entry has been entered into the passbook but it has not been written in the cash book. That means that passbook will be more by 1570, so we will have to deduct it from the passbook. Again, there was a credit of rupees 150 for interest on current account and a debit of rupees 25 for bank charges. So interest was credited, so definitely the passbook will be higher and the cash book will be lower balance, so it will be deducted, so it will be written in the minus column. Again, rupees 25 for bank charges were deducted and it was written in the plus column because passbook is less by 25 here. So this is how we will drop this and we will get at last bank balance as per cash book, that is debit balance or favorable balance. Thank you very much.